Yeah, fun.
You want the BBQ Pit Boys? We got the BBQ Pit
Yeah.
Boys!
You should have got a bigger boat.
Oh, baby! BBQ Pit Boys. Let me tell you, brother, Brimstone here hanging out with the folks at BBQ Pit Boys. They are unbelievable, incredible. Every single bite was delicious, delicious, nutritious. Well, you know, for the belly, you gotta make the belly feel good, you know.
I feel like I could smell the food through the camera.
Oh yeah, you can smell it, and I'm going to post more videos, and you're going to be able to just take it in at home. It's this weekend, the National BBQ Festival here at Eisenhower Park, and we're with some award-winning teams here. One of them is the BBQ Pit Boys. They have award-winning barbecue sauce. This is Slasher. Tell me what's so special about this sauce.
It's a winner.
BBQ Pit Boys for life! Yeah.
Long line.
You're young to know who the BBQ Pit Boys are.
What do you mean? I'm right on time.
Yeah, no. Oh yeah, he wants to check out the.
I want to check out the machinery. All right. The rig.
He's a future pitmaster, so he's like.
Absolutely. I want to see the rig, man.
Yes.
Tremendous.
Oh yeah, he was.
It's absolutely amazing.
All
What
right.
we all live for right there. You stay up all night just
Yeah.
for that unwrapping
Yeah,
process,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know? Come on now.
Okay, check it out here. Woo! So that's all cooking in there. Maybe it's all wrapped.
That's some stuff right there, boys.
All right.
All right.
You Pit Boys! We out here, we outside! Oh yeah! Can I get an oh yeah? 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 Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yoda!
That's it. There we go. All right. That's the guy you want. Good job, guys.
We're gonna do a log cabin here, and once that fire gets good, we'll dump it in the middle, and we'll put another one on top. We got this beautiful rig we need to get heated up.
Yeah.
We've got a long weekend of cooking, and a lot of meat, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Lots.
A lot of meat.
Doing 2 whole hogs, I think 200 chickens, 200 racks of ribs, and about 100 pork butts. And we can't forget the briskets. We're probably doing about 200 pounds of briskets.
Jesus. That's awesome, Angie. All right.
Yep. That's good wood. That's dry.
Let's do it.
That just took off like firecracker.
I didn't do this. I'm just catching on the
No,
tail
it's
end.
okay. It's all right. Come on in, J-Dog. We got some baby. Look at, check those out. Oh, these are dandy.
Oh, yeah. Little snack.
I like it without the clock. What's up, guys? I'm out with my man, BBQ Pit Boys, Pitmaster Tron Z, cooking with my man, Big Thyron. Y'all already know how it's coming, baby.
I gotta hear.
But it turned out good. I did a crispy bacon brown butter, and I made a balsamic reduction.
Oh, nice.
Smell that? You smell that? It smells good. I've always in my mind had the thought that the smell of smoke is like the symbolic dinner bell, and if you can smell it, you're invited. Yep. Absolutely.
Soapy Shine. It's gonna candy everything just lovely. Yeah.
Not the first pig you've kissed. Thumbs up, everybody.
The grumpy killers.
Yeah, baby. I got my loin. Hey.
No, there. It'll be like the reception.
Wow, hey.
Oh, that's you.
Oh, look at him just jiggle.
Jiggly. Jiggly.
Look at the juice. Oh, yeah, the juice is like,
my God.
freaking popping out of there.
Look at this one over here. It just won't stop, right?
Wow. Wow.
Jiggly.
Wow, look at those.
Jiggle. Look at him jiggle.
We cook with, I don't know what y'all call it. We call it pecan wood at home.
Okay. Right.
And we throw steaks right on the grill. Right, instead of on the grill, we just throw them right on the coals, right? We just fan the ash, throw them on there, man, and go. So.
Yeah. Delicious. Yeah, you guys are wonderful. Keep on coming back. We got more. All right. Woo! Thank you.
So good.
Yeah. Woo! Thank you.
Right? That's money.
Go ahead. You gonna pour all of it in?
No.
I'm gonna say
That's
don't
good,
do
that's
that.
good,
That's
that's
enough. That's enough.
Hold it. Use it up.
Quickly, after fast.
Let's see how it came out. Okay.
This is great. This is delicious.
All right. That's what we love to hear.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Keep on coming back.
Good. I love my husband and he's a wonderful cook. But this is wonderful.
Thank you.
Here we are with the slasher. We got some turkey legs going on, my friend. How you keeping, bro?
Good.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's money.
Show your rewards here.
There it is.
All
There
right.
it is.
All right. Yeah.
I can tell you what though, man. I got it hooked on them grills, but next thing you know, we got a yard full of them. But man, thank you so much for being here. What you did. Yeah, amen. It took a lot, man.
Yeah, you guys keep in touch with us.
Yes, sir.
You got to watch.
Hey guys, I'm finna get presented. Come on, Barry. All right, guys, I need y'all to gather around. Hey, guys, these are the BBQ Pit Boys. I've been watching them since I've been young, and it's hard to get proud of because it's like a dream come true.
Sir, on behalf of Bobby Fan, the
Oh,
OG
man.
that's got all of us involved in barbecue,
Yes.
growing up with him. Bobby would like to present you with one of the old hickories.
Oh,
What is
thank
autograph?
you. Oh, man, thank you, guys.
All right.
Hey, guys, let's give a hands up for that. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
We love Thyron. He's
Thank you.
he's just wonderful. But
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wagyu brisket.
Put the butter in. Take a look. Here's the bone. That. Is that all we got for today? Oh, we got more.
We got more. Okay. And then the legs of lamb.
Oh, the lamb. Starting to get. You should have got a bigger boat. Okay. Just try this to see. Come on. Let it roll back. There we go. Hey.
That's what it's about. Slow, right?
Yeah, low and slow.
Low and slow.
Low and slow, baby. All right.
BBQ Pit Boys for life!
Yeah, woo!
Woo!
Put that on your bicycle helmet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can't wait to try it.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's good. It's good. You guys deserve it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Kudos to the Pit Boys.
Yeah, woo! We got.
Come on, boys, it's time to eat.
Yeah, woo! Got it out of here.
Is it okay to tuck them as much as I want? Nah, I'm gonna do this one here.
Around 5 o'clock this morning, and then I come back out, and then I actually had to go have another nap. Just caught up.
What you cooking?
Chicken.
Cooking.
We got some pork butts, and we butterfly them with the bone in, and we put it on the smoker, season it with our pork privilege. Got it to about 172, so it's not pulled, but if you can see, I'll slice it. It's nice and juicy, and you know it's the best cut for pork for intermuscular fat, right? So you get these,
A little easier to serve it like
you get
this
these
than
little,
pulled pork.
look at those juicy cubes, man. Oh,
Nothing like a little juicy cube.
okay.
Doing over there?
Look at some steaks.
All of a sudden, you got these pictures of me and her, and me and mommy out down at Grand Cruise. You be like, this is my food.
You guys want a sample?
There's just ribs and some pork here. There's brisket. I'm not too happy with the other one.
I got it.